Our universe is vast and mysterious, a place of wonder and constant change. It's hard to imagine, but it all started from a tiny point billions of years ago. This point, incredibly hot and dense, suddenly expanded in a massive explosion called the Big Bang. The Big Bang wasn't like an explosion we see on Earth. Instead, it was the expansion of space itself. Imagine a balloon with dots drawn on it. As you blow air into the balloon, the dots move further apart, just like galaxies moving apart in our expanding universe. This expansion continues even today, stretching the very fabric of space and time. As the universe expands, it cools, allowing for the formation of the structures we observe today. The story of the universe is one of constant evolution, from that tiny point to the complex cosmos we see today. After the Big Bang, the universe was filled with hot, swirling gas, mainly hydrogen and helium. Over millions of years, gravity pulled these gases together, forming massive clumps. These clumps, drawn together by their own gravity, became the birthplaces of galaxies, the homes of billions of stars. Within these galaxies, gravity continued to work its magic. Denser regions within the gas clouds collapsed further, pulling in more and more gas. As this material came together, it heated up, eventually reaching temperatures high enough to ignite nuclear fusion in their cores. This is how stars are born, giant balls of burning gas that light up the universe. Our own sun, a star of average size and brightness, formed in this way some 5 billion years ago. Stars are born from collapsing gas clouds, but their formation doesn't use up all the material. A swirling disk of leftover gas and dust surrounds a young star. This disk, called a protoplanetary disk, is where planets are born. Imagine a spinning figure skater pulling their arms in. They spin faster, right? The same principle applies to the protoplanetary disk. As gravity pulls the dust and gas particles together, they clump into larger and larger objects. These objects collide and stick together, eventually forming planets. Section 4. Our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. Our solar system, a tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy, consists of the Sun and everything that orbits it. 8 planets, each with its own unique characteristics, travel around the Sun in elliptical paths. The 4 inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are rocky worlds. Further out, we encounter the gas giants, Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, followed by Saturn, known for its stunning rings. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, are the farthest planets from the Sun. Section 5. Pluto's new identity, a dwarf among giants. For many years, Pluto was considered our solar system's 9th planet. However, in 2006, astronomers reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. Why the change? As scientists discovered more objects beyond Pluto, they realized it shares its orbit with many other celestial bodies in a region called the Kuiper Belt. To be a planet, an object needs to clear its orbital path. Pluto, sharing its space with other Kuiper Belt objects, doesn't fit this definition. Even though it's no longer a planet, Pluto remains a fascinating world, a reminder of the ever-evolving nature of our understanding of the universe. Section 6. The universe and us, a cosmic connection. The universe's evolution is not just a distant event, it directly impacts our lives on Earth. The elements that make up our bodies, the air we breathe, and the ground we walk on were all forged in the hearts of stars billions of years ago. When stars die, they release these elements into space, eventually becoming part of new stars, planets, and even life. Understanding the universe helps us understand our place within it, connecting us to the grand cosmic narrative that began with the Big Bang. Exploring the universe is about more than just distant stars and galaxies. It's about unraveling the story of ourselves, our origins, and our connection to the vast cosmos we call home.